everybody, it's Laura over at the Harmony Homestead, and today I have something really exciting to share with you. I have been following a group of three brothers on YouTube. They're also on Facebook, Google, search them out. They're called So Yeah Quilting. They're based out of Las Vegas, Nevada, and they have every type of fabric you could possibly imagine in this shop. Every Tuesday and every Saturday they do an online sale, if you will. They call it a Destash, where every Tuesday they have their new line of things, and every Saturday they kind of are going through the shop and getting rid of stuff. So great quality fabrics. The three brothers are fun to watch. Their prices are fair. Shipping is lightning fast. And this past couple of weeks they were actually in Alaska, and they had a quilt drive that they did, and a bunch of quilters around the country and even other countries even submitted these quilts to the brothers to take to Alaska to help the folks up there. They ended up donating 183 quilts. Well, while they were up there, they went to different quilt shops and they put together this box. And this is something else they do too, is they will put together a mystery box, and that's kind of like an auction, and it can get cutthroat. It's kind of fun. Anyway, so they were up in Alaska, and they went to various shops around the state where they were, and put things in this box. A local artisan, fabrics, don't know yet because the box is right here. Just received it, and I will tell you, this thing has some weight to it. It had a value of $686 and change. I ended up winning the bid at $600 flat, so really exciting. I got the box. It hasn't been opened yet, as you can tell. It looks like, and it came from Alaska, so this is a little bit soft, so I wonder if water got to it. Probably did. No big deal. It's fabric, right? So, or I think. So we're gonna find out. So I'm going to open the box with you guys, and we can see what I got. Okay, so we're going to give this a third try. This is actually my third time filming this. The first time I was successful. I was this close to finished, and my boys decided to run into my room where I'm filming and crash my party, and it just messed up the whole audio, and yeah. So then take two was successful, got through it all, was really happy, uploaded it to my computer, and the entire thing was this way. So I'm not savvy enough to know how to rotate it, so I scrapped that, and now we're on take number 3. So I am a pro at what is in this box, and you guys are gonna love it. So we're gonna jump right in. Okay, so one of the things I got in my bag, the first thing on top was this awesome canvas bag, really well constructed. Obviously it's nice and big. I'll be using this for sure. Next thing I got was this coloring book. Don't worry about this. It is a little bit of water damage. Nothing that the sun can't fix, but it's really cool. So there's like all sorts of different scenes from Alaskan life. My kids are gonna have a heyday with this. And what's really fun is that you can actually just there's a line to cut them down and take them out of the bag, or out of the book, not bag. There you go. Okay. Next thing I got was this. Now, the brothers had talked about this 17-year-old artisan, and this is what I got. I'm super excited about this. So it's called Laser Art Alaska. There's the phone number there if you guys want to reach out. And I got this awesome cutting board with the king crab on it, and I got a bottle opener, and I got these 4 coasters that have the king crab on them as well. So super cool. And I am a big, huge fan of the show Deadliest Catch, so I knew right away it was a king crab. I mean, it's like, yes. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you some of the fabrics that I got. You're gonna flip for this because I absolutely did. So here is, look at this, you guys. I'm just gonna try and move it up so you guys can see. I'm guessing there's about 2 yards of this. It's so vibrant. The colors are just gorgeous. And this is The Last Frontier, design 8862. For those of you who are interested, it's by Robert Kaufman. So it's stunning. It is so pretty. Cannot wait to do something with this. And then I got, this is really fun. So I got this panel, which has 8 blocks on it. And it's upside down. Of course it is, because I'm on the 3rd take. So here's the panels. And so you can do anything with this. You can make it a nice spy book. You could make it a quilt. What I'm going to do with it is pair it with this. So I also got some yardage with that of the exact same thing. And I'm assuming it's about 1 yard here. And so this I'm going to make into a baby quilt. My niece, who was born and raised in Alaska, she's expecting her first son. It's her 2nd baby, but her first son. And so I'm gonna make a baby quilt for Jackson. So that'll be fun. And then I got this panel. Oh my gosh, you guys. The vibrancy is stunning. It actually goes like this. So you've got this panel on top, and then you've got this one on the bottom. Okay. And when I first opened the box, I thought, oh, that's kind of cool. It's neat. It's, you know, very native Alaskan. And then I got this. I got this fabric to go with it. And I thought, well, okay, that's awesome. So there's this in here. Well, there's a pattern that goes with this. I'm going to show you that in a second. I also got this fabric bundle. This is from Barely Threaded Quilting. And what it is this is a panel here. And then you've got all the fabrics in between. So this itself could be, it's going to be its own quilt. So really excited about that, because you can see part of the panel has these fabrics in it itself. So what I'm going to do is, because these are damp from being in the box, there was some water damage, I'm just going to iron everything and then put all of these in a Ziploc bag. So yeah, it's going to be great. And they got some fat quarters. So these are all batiks, or I'm sorry, no, these are the cottons. And these are, you've got the fish and you've got the puffins, some of the wildlife there. You got the moose, or not the moose, sorry, elk and bears. There was a moose on the other side, and some of this like wood material here, more puffins, and then the wolves there. Okay. And speaking of batiks, look at this monster. So I've got, I mean, these are just gorgeous. So all of these, of course, are very Alaska themed. You've got everything from the animals to fish to, there's moose. There's another moose. Sorry, they're all upside down. Let me flip it this way. That one's going to be upside down too. That's funny. Okay, so, and then you've got just this real, and the colors. Oh my gosh, you guys. They're just so rich. These are whales. More whales here. I cannot wait to do this. Oh my gosh. So you can see those there. I mean, just these gorgeous, gorgeous batiks. So, and then this has Alaska written on it. I'm very excited about this. And I'm going to pair this with something I'll show you in a second. So one of the advantages of doing a video 3 times is you really get to know what's inside. So here's this. Oh, and I'll show you this, something else with this too. So yeah, this is, the guys did so good when they picked everything for this box. I mean, I'm a fan of the mystery boxes, truly. Okay. Okay, so then we got some things in these packages. So I got these, I got 2 of these. These are Amazing Animal Alphabet. Unbelievable. My phone rang in the middle of recording. Okay, back to where I was. Amazing Animals. Here we go. So I've got these here. So, make sure this is upside down. There. So you can see some of those. And then I got, this is just an Alaska panel. It's not very big. It's only 8 by 14, but that would be great for the center of some of the other fabrics that I'm using. And it's a really pretty, again, such vibrant colors. And then I got this, which is the Alaska flag. Yeah, so there's that there. And then I got some really fun transfers. So if you guys have ever used Steam-A-Seam, it's just basically, you know, you iron it on, pull the strip back, and then you iron the other side to adhere what you're doing. Really great for hems, especially on skirts that are circular. But I use it for my quilts too, and I'm especially with applique work. It just holds things down before you stitch it. So I got this. So here is the bear with the fish, and then I got a smaller bear with the fish, the salmon. These are all iron-on. And then I got this adorable mama moose and her babies, which I thought is really fun because I'm a mother of twins. So, well done, guys. And then I got these. So here is a pattern for a placemat and a table runner. I have these fabrics, y'all. They put them in the box. So I can make these, and the pattern is here. So really awesome for that. And then I got, which is really fun, I got 2 sets of these. So I got 2 of these, which is a pattern for trophy, and then there's a bonus one inside. And then I got this one, which is Eagle's Roost, and a bonus one inside. Well, I got 2 of each. So I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be doing with those here in a minute. And then I got some quilt kits, because quilt kits are just amazing. They're like almost ready to go. All you gotta do is stitch them together. But here's this one, another one from Barely Threaded Quilting. I'm not exactly sure what it's going to be. It might be like a mystery quilt because it tells you what they all are. And then there is like a sled dog, mush driver, and that's it. So we'll see. And then I got this quilt kit, which is called Midnight Run. Look at that, you guys. Hoping you guys can see it without the glare. Super, super pretty. All pre-cut, ready to go. How easy is that? You just stitch it together. And then my favorite is, you know, who doesn't love layer cakes, right? 42 squares, pre-cut. All you gotta do is cut them up a little bit more and whip them together, and there you go. So, and they're all batik, which is great. So, love my box. It's so exciting. And then because I have 2 extra, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share the love. So if you guys want to like and subscribe, by the end of the month, September 30th, I will draw a winner for this one and a winner for this one. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, check out the guys, and we will pick a winner. Okay, you guys, so I hope you liked the unboxing. It was totally fun to go through. I decided to dry out my fabrics instead of washing them. I'm going to just iron them. And then that way, I don't have to worry about any of the fraying or any of that. The book I'll just put outside. It's a sunny day. But because I ended up getting 2 of these and 2 of these, I'm going to give away the extra ones. So if you guys could like and subscribe, I will pick 2 winners, one for this one and one for this one, in the next few days. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Again, go check out soyeahquilting.com. Go check out So Yeah Quilting on Instagram and YouTube. And the 3 brothers are Zach, Brody, and Tiancum. Check them out. They are fun to watch. They are great. And Tiancum told me to do hashtag So Yeah Quilting, hashtag Destash, hashtag Tiancum's the best looking, and hashtag best fabric store ever, I think. So, okay. Check it out, you guys. Take care, and we'll be back with more as I get the quilt projects finished. Take care.